Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another AliExpress special. This time we go for ring mirror covers, and those one are actually quite different. They actually change the design of the covers. So they go on top of your existing one. They don't replace your stock one like those ones do. Those are carbon fiber as well. I'll put a thingy bob if you want to go check out the video on those. But yeah, so those one, as you can see with the tape, they essentially just go on top of them. As the design is a bit controversial, what I'm going to do is actually use my stock one, stick those on, and then what's nice is it allows me to switch between this design or just the plain one, because I'm still unsure about that one. So let's install them and we can have a look. I can see what it looks like on the car, you can see what it looks like in the car, on in the description, not the description, the comment. You can let me know what you think, you know. Some people like it because it's different. Yeah, anyway, let's put them on and we can discuss them then. Okay, stock one back on, sort of clean. Here is not dirt, it's actually, I've bashed it. That's how you know how wide your car is. Remove the tape and we can just put it on. And here, if you can look at the front, we actually have a lip here and a lip there, and that lip basically goes into that. So that's how you can align it nicely. You can just press around really. Obviously, because it's a cover, it's thicker, isn't it? Instead of like lining up with the bottom part. And it does give them a slightly chunkier look. And then one there. When they're like that, it's actually quite an aggressive look from the front with the point pointing up. You can see quality wise though, bit of a mark there. Yeah, they were popped out, but on here you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, like the leak. It runs from the resin. But you know, I mean, yeah, because a little dot there as well. Cheap stuff, but different. Okay, so I won't bore you with me installing the other side, but let's install the other side and see how they all look together.
Billionaire Productions.
And here we are. I'm still not 100% sold on it. I think they've missed the opportunity to essentially go slightly more with the flow of the car. I think it's weird they go just flat like that. But you know, it might grow on me. Let me know what you think in the comment, you know. Obviously that kind of thing, it's purely like a taste thing, you know, it's like which color you like or what shape you like, isn't it? So very personal. But yeah, I mean, it really depends. On some angle But yeah, that's what I mean here. It's kind of like, it goes like this, where I think if it went more like this to a lot of extent, slightly, would have make it more flow. But, you know, where here it's kind of like, essentially, isn't that just making more drag? Because you're essentially adding a couple of little air brake on your mirrors. At least you know they won't go anywhere because of the pressure on them. But you know, unless, you know, I'm just kidding here, it's like the performance difference are probably going to be completely minor based on that. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you understand what I mean by the flow. But you know, what's nice is at least we'll have a base on I want to explore. Working on with like fiberglass or other bits and bobs, so you know, could always try and modify those or whatever. That's the beauty of it. But yeah, so like I said, if you want to see just a normal cover, I'll put a link in the description and I'll put it back up in the corner. If it's your first time here, go check out our Audi S3 playlist. We've got more than 100 videos on like mods you can do, performance test, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, custom mods, etc, etc. So you know, good source of information for you to make some decision or get some inspiration. And yeah, hopefully see you in the next one, and have a good day.